In today's fast-paced world, mastering your mind is more crucial than ever, and Stoicism offers powerful tools to help you achieve this. Originating in ancient Greece, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control while accepting what we cannot. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of self-discipline, resilience, and rational thinking, making it highly relevant for personal growth. By applying Stoic principles, you can cultivate a mindset that fosters emotional stability and clarity. Imagine facing life's challenges with a calm demeanor, making decisions based on logic rather than emotion. The practical benefits of Stoicism include reduced anxiety, improved relationships, and a greater sense of purpose. Join us as we explore how controlling your mind through Stoicism can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. 1. Understanding Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that originated in Greece around the 3rd century BCE, founded by Zeno of Citium. It teaches that virtue, wisdom, and self-control are essential for a good life. Key figures like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius have significantly shaped Stoic thought, offering insights into how to navigate life's challenges with grace. Seneca emphasized the importance of reflection and self-examination, while Marcus Aurelius, through his meditations, illustrated the power of rational thinking in the face of adversity. At its core, Stoicism promotes emotional resilience by encouraging individuals to focus on what they can control and accept what they can't. This emphasis on rationality helps cultivate a balanced mindset, allowing us to respond to life's ups and downs with clarity and strength. 2. Recognizing negative thoughts. The first step in overcoming negative thought patterns is cultivating self-awareness. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and notice when harmful thoughts arise. Once you identify these thoughts, challenge their validity by asking yourself questions like, is this thought based on facts or assumptions? And what evidence do I have to support or refute this belief? Techniques such as journaling can help you track these thoughts and analyze them more deeply. Additionally, reframing negative perspectives is crucial. Instead of viewing a setback as a failure, consider it an opportunity for growth. By shifting your mindset, you can transform how you perceive challenges and setbacks. This process not only enhances your emotional resilience, but also empowers you to take control of your mental landscape, leading to a more positive outlook on life. 3. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. This concept aligns closely with Stoic practices, which encourage self-reflection and awareness of one's mental state. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can enhance your ability to control your mind. Simple exercises, such as focusing on your breath for a few minutes or observing your thoughts as they come and go, can significantly improve your mental clarity. Additionally, try mindful walking, where you pay attention to each step and the sensations in your body. The benefits of being present include reduced stress, improved emotional regulation, and a greater appreciation for life's moments. By practicing mindfulness, you empower yourself to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, fostering a more balanced and resilient mindset. 4. Embracing acceptance. A key tenet of Stoicism is the focus on what we can control while accepting what we cannot. This mindset encourages us to let go of the need to control external events, which often leads to unnecessary stress and frustration. For example, consider a situation like losing a job. While you can control your response and efforts to find new opportunities, you cannot control the decision that led to your job loss. By accepting this reality, you can reduce anxiety and channel your energy into constructive actions. Similarly, when facing a difficult relationship, recognizing that you cannot change another person's behavior allows you to focus on your own reactions and choices. Embracing acceptance not only fosters inner peace, but also empowers you to navigate life's challenges with resilience and clarity. 5. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for fostering a positive mindset, and it aligns beautifully with Stoic values that emphasize appreciation for what we have. By recognizing the good in our lives, we shift our focus away from what we lack, promoting emotional resilience. To enhance your mental well-being, consider incorporating daily gratitude practices, such as keeping a gratitude journal where you list 3 things you're thankful for each day. Another effective practice is to take a moment each evening to reflect on positive experiences from the day. Research shows that cultivating gratitude can significantly impact overall life satisfaction, leading to improved relationships and greater happiness. By embracing gratitude, you not only enrich your own life, but also inspire those around you to adopt a more positive outlook, creating a ripple effect of appreciation and joy. 6. Setting intentions. Intentional living is a cornerstone of Stoicism, emphasizing the importance of aligning our thoughts and actions with our core values. By setting clear intentions, we create a roadmap for our daily lives, guiding us toward meaningful choices. To establish daily intentions, start each morning by reflecting on what you want to achieve, whether it's cultivating patience, practicing kindness, or focusing on personal growth. Write down your intentions and keep them visible throughout the day as a reminder. Additionally, take time in the evening to reflect on how well your actions aligned with your intentions. This practice not only fosters self-awareness, but also helps you stay true to your values. By consistently setting and reflecting on your intentions, you empower yourself to live with purpose and clarity, ultimately enhancing your overall well-being. 7. Building resilience. Developing mental resilience is essential for navigating life's challenges, and a Stoic mindset provides valuable strategies for doing so. Stoicism teaches us to face adversity with courage and composure, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. One effective technique is to practice negative visualization, where you imagine potential setbacks to prepare yourself mentally, reducing their impact when they occur. Another strategy is reframing setbacks as lessons, allowing you to extract wisdom from difficult experiences. Stories of resilience from Stoic philosophers, such as Epictetus, who overcame slavery to become a respected teacher, and Marcus Aurelius, who faced personal loss and political turmoil, serve as powerful reminders of the strength of the human spirit. By embracing these Stoic principles, you can cultivate resilience and emerge stronger from life's trials. 8. Applying Stoic exercises. Incorporating practical Stoic exercises into your daily routine can significantly enhance your mental control and clarity. One effective exercise is negative visualization, where you take a moment to imagine losing something or someone important to you. This practice helps you appreciate what you have and prepares you for potential loss, reducing anxiety. Another valuable exercise is the daily reflection, where you spend a few minutes each evening reviewing your actions and thoughts, assessing how well they aligned with your values. Regular practice of these exercises fosters self-awareness and emotional resilience, allowing you to respond thoughtfully to challenges. Over time, these Stoic exercises can lead to lasting change, helping you cultivate a more balanced mindset and a deeper understanding of yourself, ultimately enhancing your overall well-being and quality of life. In this video, we explored key strategies for controlling your mind through Stoicism, including recognizing negative thoughts, practicing mindfulness, embracing acceptance, cultivating gratitude, setting intentions, building resilience, and applying practical Stoic exercises. Each of these techniques plays a vital role in enhancing your mental clarity and emotional well-being. Remember, consistent practice is essential for achieving mental mastery. The more you engage with these principles, the more profound the impact on your life. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you on your journey toward a more balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.